Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you another web project. In this web project I am going to targeting gamers to basically this project is for gamers who are playing Clash of Clans. Let's type the URL of my website coc versus std.epg.com. Here this is the website. I just changed the desktop site to mobile site. Okay, I'm just let you know that the website has a functionality of adding bases to this server. You can add your own layout in this website and use it for future. Yeah, you can see the introduction of this website. This is simple Clash of Clans website where you can copy layout basis link and you can also upload your own layout link without login. I built this website for the purpose of to store the bases. Let's see the what is the main features. There is a town halls categories of a website. Town hall 14, town hall 13, town hall 12, town hall 11, town hall 10. Suppose that I want to copy the town hall 14 spaces. Let's click on this, and you can also upload your own bases in this website. Click to upload and you can just upload. Let's take it later. And here I'm going to let's see, this is the basis uploaded by the users of my clan. Basically this project is idea of my you can see that click on copy base and just click on your Clash of Clans account. This will redirect to your Clash of Clans app. If you have, it will open and redirect to you. Copy the bases into the layout bases section. Yeah, you can see layout editor. If you want to add this base home village, you can select any layout, or you can add a war bases. You can select this. Suppose that I want to add this in this. Click on this and village is or in edit mode. Okay, this is the base, and this is the base you have just copied, and just save it, and this will save to your Clash of Clans account. Let's active this, and your war base layout is changed. You can use this, and you can upload your own bases too. Let's suppose that I want to upload this decorative bases to the server. No, I want to upload this base to the server. Let's click on share button and share as a link. This will copy the link to your clipboard. Then edit layout. Let's take an screenshot. Just click on photo mode and just take a screenshot. Okay, it will take screenshot. Just save it, and if you want to upload your own bases, just go through the website Yeah, if your base is TS14, you can click to upload TS14 basis your name. Suppose that my name is Sachin Prajapati. Base title I can give TS14 var base. Base description TS14 base var base. Edit interbase layout link. I just copied this link from the server. Upload base image, just choose the upload base image. Just click on documents, just click on submit button. It will upload your base. Yeah, you can see the alert success, your base has been uploaded successfully. Yeah, this is the base I have uploaded recently, 0 days ago. Sorry, base number 5 has been added. TS14 var basis description. And if you want to copy this base, just click on copy this base. Yeah, you can upload, like suppose that I want to click on TS13 bases. This will load the TS13 bases uploaded by the users of COC versus HD or any of the clan. You can add this website. You can add your own base in this website. TS13 var base. If you want to copy, just click on copy base and you can copy this. There is a YouTube channel of our website. Here you can see this YouTube channel of our clan. There is a video. You can like and subscribe this channel also. Yeah, this is the about page of this is the idea of me. So I am going to show you my photos in this section. You can I want to show you the index page once more. This is a index page. This is a category of the website. TS14, TS13, TS12, TS11, TS12. You can click on this. If you want to give a feedback, just click on feedback page. Yes, and you can share your Sachin Prajapati email safsp@gmail.com. I just click nice website. Click on submit. Thank you, Sachin Prajapati. Your feedback has been submitted successfully. Home, click on home. It is just for all. That's all about the COC versus STD. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. I will upload the link of this project into I will paste the link in description. Don't worry about it, and I will give the link of GitHub account, GitHub repository as well as. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. One more features of this website, you can search in this website with the town hall name. Suppose that I want to search TS13. Type in search box TS13 and click on the search. You will see the result of TS13 in your website. TS13. If you want to copy the space link, you can just you can just click on copy base button and you will redirect it to your game account. You can see here the bases of TS13 are listed here. If you want to search with the name of user, suppose that I want to search Sachin Prajapati, then you can search as well as whichever the information has you given, you can search. Here you can see the Sachin Prajapati names here are displaying in each result. Suppose that I want to search which is not available in this server. Suppose that I want to search t-shirt. Sorry. You can see there is no result, word not match. Thank you for watching.